Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix CapCut template no internet problem. So if you also want to fix CapCut template no internet problem, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure you're using the latest version of CapCut application. Go to Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store is opened. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar. Now type in CapCut. You'll be able to see CapCut application over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see two options over here, uninstall and open. If you're not using the latest version of CapCut application, instead of open option, you'll be able to see the update option. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your CapCut application will be updated and your problem should be fixed now. If the problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings is opened. Find the option for apps. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now tap on the option see all apps. What you have to do is search for CapCut. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen right next to the three dots. Now search for CapCut. You can see over here CapCut will appear. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. Find the option for storage and cache. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now your cache will be cleared. After that, your problem should be fixed. If it still does not fix, what you have to do is go back. Now you'll be able to see the option for force stop over here. You'll have to tap on it. You can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the OK option. Now let your application be force stop for a few minutes. After that, what you have to do is open CapCut application. Tap on the open option that you can see right over here. You can see over here CapCut is opened. At bottom, you'll be able to see several options. Tap on the templates option, which is at second. Now you can see over here several templates are loaded. So that is how you fix CapCut template no internet connection problem. If CapCut is not available in your region, no internet connection problem may still persist. In that scenario, what you have to do is install any VPN of your choice. Select the location for USA or any other country in which CapCut is available. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix CapCut template no internet connection problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.